Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple process of resetting your Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender. Whether you're dealing with connectivity problems or simply want to set it up from scratch, resetting your device is a quick and easy solution. Let's get started. Resetting the Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender is essential to resolve connectivity issues, clear configuration errors, or restore it to factory settings for a fresh start. This process helps ensure optimal performance, especially if you're experiencing slow speeds, unstable connections, or want to connect it to a new network. Ensure that your Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender is properly plugged into a working power outlet and turned on. Allow a few moments for the indicator lights to stabilize and remain steady. This step confirms that your extender is fully powered and ready for the reset process. To begin, find the reset button on your Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender. This is typically a small pinhole located on the back or bottom of the device, marked with the word reset. You'll need a pointed object, such as a paperclip or pin, to press it properly. Now, take your pointed object and press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll notice the lights on the extender blinking or turning off and back on. This indicates the reset process is underway. Once the lights stabilize, your extender has been successfully reset. Once the reset is complete, your Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender will revert to its original factory settings. You'll need to go through the setup process again, just as you did when it was first installed. You can easily do this using the Nextbox app or by accessing the web-based setup interface. This process involves reconnecting the extender to your router by using the default settings. It ensures that the extender is properly linked to your network, allowing it to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage and deliver a smooth, reliable connection throughout your home. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support or guidance with any setup or troubleshooting needs. We're just a phone call away at 1-323-507-3713. And that's it. Resetting your Nextbox LazyPro Wi-Fi Extender is that simple. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching.